I started trading. So yep. Are there tips you can give when holding trades? Follow market structure. That's what I can give you. That's what I can give you. That's the advice I can give you. Because people will jump on a trade on a buy, then you get 5 green candlesticks on a daily chart, and then you get one red doji or maybe one marubozu. But even though it's not a bearish engulfing or just a strong candle or a red candle that can possibly go the opposite direction, people tend to pull out of the trade because of the emotional part of things. I mean, no one wants to be in $200 profits and then go back to zero and then lose. So I think the tips I can give you to be able to hold your trades for much more longer is that maintain the 4-hour. Like I said, swing trading, not position trading. Maintain the 4-hour time frame. That's how I can, because there's less noise in the bigger time frames. And then once your trade gives you new highs and or new lows, whatever direction you're looking at, I always say to get your emotions off the table, it's very important to take your stop loss and put it at break even. So that means putting your stop loss where you entered. Not after one candle and then put your stop loss. No. After a deep pullback, put your stop loss at break even. In that manner, you're able to take your emotions off the table and say, if I lose this trade, I'm not going to get anything. I'm not going to lose anything. So it's better like that than you being in $800 profits and then market pulling back and then you back in $80. That, I feel like that, yes, it's a very, it's mentally disturbing. But yeah, once you gain your confidence, not ego, confidence, I feel like it becomes much more easier. So yeah. Could you please tell us how you and how long you analyzed GBP AUD so you can understand it so well? So what I did is that for the past 14 months, I've been working on my technical analysis and the mental side of things. And that's why you guys have seen I'm not really focused on too many things. I'm just purely like on myself and the just getting better at the charts as well. I think when you start becoming consistent with the type of strategy that you're trading, it's very important for you to like close down your watch list. So that means the pairs that you are trading, it's very important to like from 10, like choose 5. Always break it down in half each and every 3 months or whatsoever. And then I started trading major pairs like GBP, USD, Euro USD, obviously my GBP, JPY, and what my watch list now recently I closed it again. So I focus on gold, AUD, USD, and GBP AUD. That's it. So in that way, it's always important to track down your progress when it comes to the market. So most of the trades that you win, where do you win them? So in that way, you're trying to place your strategy where it's mostly accurate. So I won 10 trades out of GBP AUD. I lost 7 trades on Euro GBP, just for example. I lost it. And then you cancel out the pairs that you see that are not matching up with the way that you trade. It might be your time management, it might be the spreads, you might never know what it is. But as long as the pairs are not working out for you, then you can scratch them out. And then you can invest time into getting further into the pairs that you're good at. So that's what I did. And I found out that GBP AUD moves quicker. So that means the fact that GBP AUD moves very quick, it's very volatile. The spread is a little bit wider. So that means when I get into profits, I'll get into profits. When I get into losses, I'll get into losses. It's what I'm willing to sacrifice. It's the step that I am willing to take. And then I don't wait that long. Like GBP AUD can move 200, let's say we can move 100 pips in one day, literally. It can go to where it was supposed to go for the week in just one day. So that means I'm gonna be more active when it comes to GBP AUD. So that's how I found myself being so good at gold, GBP AUD, and AUD USD, because obviously the opposite of GBP AUD. Not all the time, but in a way they're negatively correlated from time to time because of the Australian dollar is involved with them. So that's how I got there. So advice is that find a strategy, work on it, don't change just because it does not work. Try it on specific pairs, 10 pairs, 3 months, trade it, like literally trade those pairs. Go back, check the overall performance. How many trades did you win from this pair? Cancel out the ones that they're not specific with your trading strategy, and then focus on the ones that are specific with your trading strategy. And look further into researching about those pairs that work according to your favor most of the time. So that's the advice I would give to Zanele once again. Yep. I'm trying my best to answer each and everyone's question correctly, putting as many points as I can. Bro, do you trade in December? This December, I'm not going to be trading. And there's a specific reason why I don't want to trade this December. Not because of the market, but because of me personally. So I want to prepare. I'm going to be looking at the market because I'm in love with this thing. So I always go back and see what the market is doing, what these pairs are doing and whatsoever. But I don't think I'm going to be involved in the market. That's because I'm mentally preparing myself and I'm trying to get together a team of people that I'm going to be working with next year, because I am planning on something very cute, not cute, something very big. So yeah, I am now more into my own personal, what can I say, energy. So I'm not going to be on the market. But pairs that I'm looking at, just to look at them, because I must look at it. It's trading, bro. It's something that I love to do. Like if I spend 2 days without looking at the charts, I feel a bit off. Even though I just look at it, not analyze, but just to see where the pairs are. I always, like I love that. Yeah, so that's just the personal thing. Can you please save the live video? Okay, guys, I'll save you guys the live video because I see you guys are actually enjoying this. Yes. Everyone is asking me to save the live, so I'll make sure that I keep on being live so I can give out as much information that I possibly can, so that when the live ends, everyone can go back and then look at the live video for references. So the type of websites, the things that I do, what do I do on a Sunday, everything that I'm going to be talking about.